Most people get this wrong. They assume Odoo and Hostinger do the same thing, but the surprising truth is that they serve very different purposes. Choosing the wrong one can waste both time and money. Odoo is an all-in-one business management platform. It's ideal for companies that need tools for ERP, CRM, accounting, inventory, and more. You won't believe what happens next. Odoo allows deep customization, so you can create workflows tailored to your business. It's perfect for growing companies or teams that want everything integrated in one place, but it can take some time to learn and set up. Hostinger, on the other hand, is primarily a web hosting provider. If your goal is to build a website, e-commerce store, or blog, Hostinger gives you fast hosting, a website builder, and affordable pricing. It's easy to use and beginner-friendly, but it doesn't provide the full suite of business management tools that Odoo offers. Here's the key. If you're looking for a platform to run your entire business, track inventory, handle accounting, or manage projects, Odoo is the better choice. If your focus is just on hosting a website or an online store, Hostinger is simpler, faster, and much more affordable. In conclusion, Odoo and Hostinger are not competitors. They complement different needs. Evaluate your goals, full business management or website hosting. Pick the one that aligns with your priorities to save time and grow efficiently. Subscribe for more honest comparisons to help you choose the right tools for your business.